Today we are going to make a very easy garlic rice. For this garlic rice recipe, we need these ingredients. First we need to melt butter in a pan. Then add mustard seeds into this. When mustard seeds are popping, add ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste is the main and very important ingredient of this recipe. Fry ginger garlic a bit and then add onions and curry leaves. Then we need to add pepper and salt as per our taste. After that, add cooked rice and combine well. Finally, add chopped leeks and cook around 1 minute. Hope you will soon try this easy and delicious recipe. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.